Today I want to talk about this red light therapy panel that I received as a gift from Garvey Home. I have been very interested in red light therapy. I've been using a couple of different types of red light therapy. These are pretty heavy units, and you can just tell the quality of this unit based on the weight and just how it's built. It's very heavy duty. This is nice because you set it up on a desktop, or you can hang it from these tables here that will allow you to stand up and maybe get your back or some part of your body that you normally wouldn't be able to get access to with a lamp like this. But this comes with all the things needed to hang it on a door. It also comes with a light mask. So with these masks, you do want to try to cover your eyes completely. Don't just wear sunglasses. I started checking into red light therapy when I was getting a little older and I wanted to help with aging. So having these at home are so convenient. You can take your own time. Normally you just think of light hitting the surface of your skin and that's as far as it goes. But this actually has science behind it saying that this penetrates, it does increase healing, and can be very beneficial for multiple purposes. I'm also super impressed with the usability of this, since you can just sit it on a tabletop and sit in front of it. You just have to sit there and let the light shine on your face and you get all of these wonderful benefits.